Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix your screenshots is not saving in your picture screenshot folder. So I will show you guys best solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch the whole video. So first go to Windows search and type the regedit. Now registry editor will show on the top, just open it. And now here you have to just copy the first text, and this text also give you in the description box so you can easily copy and paste it. So just copy the first text and just select the text on the top and just right click and paste this text and just hit the enter, and now you will go to the exact location. Now you can right click, go to the new and click on the string value. So now here you have to just paste the second text. Just copy the second text from here, right click on that and click on the copy. And now you can just right click on your new value and just click on the rename, and now you can just paste this text. After that, now you can just right click on that and click on the modify. And now here in the value data, you have to just paste the third text you will see in this notepad. So you can easily copy this third text and just paste in your this value. Right click, click on the paste and then click on the OK. Now you can just close it and just restart your PC. So after the restart, your problem is fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.